Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 10. Its title is Eidul Adha. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn about possessive adjectives. Before this, in Unit 7, we have learned the use of have, has, had to show possession. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recognize and use words showing possession as possessive adjectives. For example, his coat, his bag, etc. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ibrahim, verse 11, their messengers said to them, we are indeed only humans like you, but Allah favors whoever He chooses of His servants. Yes, my dear children. Peter, what this beautiful verse is telling us. All the messengers were human. This is what Quran is telling us. So we cannot consider they were a super creature. They could do it. How can we? They were human, and whatever good they did, we should try to follow them. We should also try to do all the good examples of all the messengers, especially our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Right? So they were human. They did a lot of things. So all the good things we learn from them, from Quran, and we should try to follow them. Now look at this word, their messengers. So such type of words are known as possessive adjectives. How do we do it? How do we select it? We are going to learn today. First, you tell me, what is an adjective? We have learned about it. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, what is an adjective? We know an adjective is a word which tells us more about a noun, right? A word which tells us more about a noun is adjective. For example, brown hair. Now, this brown is adjective which is telling us the color of hair. Orange shirt, again, is an adjective which is telling us about this noun. Red shoes. So all these adjectives are adjectives of color which are telling us the color of these nouns. So this is how we use an adjective. Before noun, we write an adjective to tell, which tells us more about the noun. Right? Remember, this we have learned in detail. Likewise, these are the words we use before noun, and these words show the position of that noun. Means whatever we write after this word, it will tell us who is the owner of that noun. That's why possession means better ownership. That's why these are known as possessive adjective. They tell us ownership, and we use it before noun. For I, we use possessive adjective my. For you, it's your. For he, it's his. She, her. It, its. We, our. You, your. And they, their. So these are the words we use to show possession of the noun. How do we place it in a sentence? Look at this. Okay, possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. And this is possessive adjectives show possession or ownership of a specific person, animal, or thing. A possessive adjective comes before a noun. Just like other adjectives, these words also come before noun. It is her bag. You see, now this bag is a noun, and her is telling us who is the owner of this bag. She is the owner of this bag. It is her bag. Do you understand? Okay, the other example. This is my sister. Now she is introducing her sister. This is my sister. Its teeth are very sharp. So its teeth. Whose teeth? Its teeth. This is how we use these possessive adjectives which tell us the ownership about the noun. Are you clear? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide class in groups and teacher will collect one thing from each member of the group. For example, a pencil, book, eraser, notebook, etc. Now, every student will tell about the possession of these things by using possessive adjectives, right? By telling this is his pencil, this is her book, etc. So pause the video, enjoy this activity of using possessive adjectives and then come back. Are you done with it? Okay, so let's practice it in your book. All of you open your book on page number 81 and this question number 10. Complete the sentences with correct possessive adjective. So one sentence is given to you. According to this sentence, my dad is a doctor. It is his stethoscope, right? So this his is telling about this stethoscope, okay? Likewise, keep reading this sentence, use correct possessive adjective to complete it. Pause the video, complete this task in your books and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay. So it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences to mention 5 positions of your family members by using possessive adjectives. For example, my brother is a cricketer. He keeps his bat safe, right? This is how you will use possessive adjectives. This is your homework and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice of possessive adjectives. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and use words showing possession as possessive adjectives, his coat, his bag, etc. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.